Oops, there it is. Taylor filled his water container with 20 3/8. That's a funny way to say that. 20 3/8 ounces of water. He drank 7/10. So he drank 7/10 of the water. How much water was left in the container when Taylor left the gym? Okay, so what are we going to do? He drank 7/10 of the water. And they're asking us how much water was left. Do you see that? There's a couple ways you could do this problem. Probably the easiest way is just to think this way. If he drank 7/10 of the water, so then I can take 20 3/8 and multiply by 7/10, right? Now, why? Of means multiply. That's an important principle you want to know in math word problems. Of means multiply. So 7/10 of the water, 7/10 times the amount of water. Of means times. So how do I multiply these two fractions? So to multiply or divide mixed numbers, what's the instructions? Number one, no common denominators required. Step two, you must change to improper, right? To multiply or divide mixed numbers, you must change to improper. So let's do that. Let's multiply and add. You use your calculator. 163/8. 20 times 8 is 160. Add 3, 163/8. So now to multiply these, looks like we cannot cross cancel, right? These guys have nothing in common. These guys have nothing in common. So just go straight. 163 times 7, 8 times 10. I need a calculator too. Let me see. I'm just going to do it over here on the side. That's at 21, 42, 44, 7, 1141. So 1141 over 80, right? Isn't that good to there? Now, what are we going to do with that? They want a mixed number answer, right? Give a response in mixed fraction form. So we got to change that back. How do you change that to a mix, back to a mix, right? We learned how to do that. We divide 80 into 1141. Let's see, I'm going to go in there one time, 84, 34, bring down the 1. 4 times 80, 320. Choose your calculator, 21. So this is 14 and 21/80. Right? So Taylor drank 7/10. This is how much he drank. You guys with me? He drank 14 and 21/80, which was 7/10 times his water amount. So that's how much he drank, but they're asking me how much was left. So how do I figure out how much was left? I better wrap it up. What is left is 20 3/8 take away what he drank, right? I've got to subtract what he drank from what he started with, don't I? And so to subtract these guys, you got to have common denominator, multiply top and bottom by 10. So this becomes 20 and 30/80 minus 14 and 21/80. And so now we can finish it up. 20 minus 14 is 6. 30 minus 21 is, what's that? 9/80. There we go. That's how much is left. 6 and 9/80. So that was fairly complex. A lot of messing around with mixed numbers there. We needed Begin by multiplying, because of means multiply. He drank 7/10 of it. We multiplied, changed it back to mix, and then that was the amount he drank. So we had to subtract that from the original, and that left 6 9/80.